Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn profile for career branding, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top right corner of the homepage. Once on your profile, look for the More button located beneath your profile photo. Click on the More button to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the Save to PDF option from the drop-down. Your profile will then be converted into a PDF file. This PDF includes your summary, experience, education, skills, and endorsements. Download the PDF to your device for safekeeping. Next, copy the information from your profile for additional backup. Highlight your profile sections manually, such as the About section, Experience, Skills, and Recommendations. Right-click and choose Copy to save the text to your clipboard. Open a document editor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Create a new document and right-click to select Paste to retrieve the copied information. Save this document on your device with a clear name, such as LinkedIn Profile Backup. Consider taking screenshots of your profile as an additional backup method. Simply use your device's screenshot function to capture key sections of your profile. Organize these screenshots in a designated folder on your device. If you have any endorsements or recommendations, make sure to save these as well. List out endorsements and recommendations in your backup document. You can also export your LinkedIn connections to keep track of your network. To do this, go to the My Network tab at the top of the page. Click on Connections to access your connections list. On the right side, look for the option to export connections. Follow the prompts to download your connections in a CSV file. After completing these steps, ensure that all files are saved in a secure location. Consider using cloud storage for easy access from anywhere. Regularly update your backup, especially after significant changes to your profile. This way, you are always prepared for any career opportunities that come your way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.